Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making some cookies that we have made for my daughter's class for her birthday. And she would like some unicorn-themed spritzed cookies dipped in chocolate. So let's get started. We start out with our ingredients. We need 3 1/3 cups or 400 grams of flour, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1/2 to 1 cup or 120 to 240 milliliters of milk for consistency, about 200 grams of melted chocolate, blue and purple food coloring, which is optional, and unicorn sprinkles, which are also optional. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter, beat in sugar, salt, and vanilla, beat in flour. The dough will be very dry. Slowly beat in milk until the dough is pipeable. I used close to a cup or about 220 milliliters. This is the consistency you want. It should feel kind of like buttercream. Split the dough into 2 bowls, color one purple and the other blue. Place both colors of dough in piping bags with a large open star tip. Pipe the dough into rosettes, which is circled around 1 1/2 to 2 times on a lined baking sheet. Since dough is naturally thicker than buttercream, I needed to double the piping bags to keep it from splitting. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Allow to cool completely. Put the chocolate in a piping bag. Pipe the chocolate onto half of the cookies. You can also dip the cookies into a bowl of melted chocolate. This amount of chocolate wasn't quite enough for all the cookies, but we wanted to leave some without chocolate. Sprinkle the chocolate with the unicorn sprinkles. Allow the chocolate to set up. I didn't want to break open one of the chocolate covered ones, but this is what the cookies look like. They are absolutely delicious. They are buttery and melt in your mouth. Happy birthday, Natalie. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.